What's good, everybody? So in this video, I'm going to be going over how I profited $814 this morning trading, and also how I made $800+ trading YM. So I caught a quick little simple setup using our break and retest strategy. And really all it took was just a little bit of patience, right? Not rushing to get into a trade, waiting for the setup to happen. And then once we got our confirmations, basically just executing, right? And so as you can see here, profit was $814. Actually on that YM trade, I profited around $800+. As you can see right there, and I got a payout or requested a payout on this Apex account of $2,000 after that. Also had another member make $572 taking that same exact trade within the Discord group, and another member who also made $134 off of this trade, right? So in the Discord group, I tend to call out trades live every weekday, 4 a.m. to about 10 a.m. or 11 a.m., in which I'm literally telling you exactly when to get in, exactly where to set your stop loss, the amount of contracts to use, everything. So if it's something that you are interested in, there will be a link below. But back to the setup. So like I said, we were trading YM on that trade, in which we were looking for a simple break and retest, right? This is basically our main strategy that we use. It's just being patient. Are we always going to catch entries on YM or US30 every day? No, but we might catch it on NAS or we might catch it on gold. But in this situation, we caught this trade here on YM. And so here we saw this break of this resistance right here, in which we're looking to get our entry. Right here. We got our break at 4 a.m. After the 4 a.m. candle closed at 5. And so from here, we're literally looking for the market to retest into the zone or even get below the zone to then break out with some type of reversal pattern in our reversal confirmations, right? So we go from this higher time frame, the hour time frame, down to lower time frames to see if we can get some type of confirmation, in which we saw it on the 6-minute time frame. So let me scroll over here. So on the 6-minute time frame, we ended up getting all our confirmations to align, in which we entered on this candle that closed at 7:18, because we're looking at the 6-minute time frame. After we got our reversal pattern and our other confirmations, we literally entered a buy, in which we put our stop loss slightly below the low of our reversal pattern here, right? So we see we get our reversal pattern, it's exiting out the zone, as well as our other confirmations that I teach, and we entered the buy. So the first 6 minutes, the market actually pushed down a little bit, so we did have a little bit of drawdown, but within that next 6-minute candle, it literally shot up and gave us over a 2-hour return, right? Meaning, if you risked $100, you made over $200. If you risked $500, you made over $1,000. And so it shot up really quick. I actually had my take profit set, I can't remember how many, I want to say around like 30-40 points, because that's all I needed to get the payout. And so it actually hit pretty fast, in which I was able to secure that payout. But like I said, other people was able to catch a larger portion of that move. Some people even closed out earlier when they got to the 1-to-1. But it was literally just us being patient. Like we knew we waited to see a breakout of a level, and we were literally just patient enough to see if we can get it to retest, right? Like I said, we got this breakout here. So then the patience just came along with us waiting for this retest and breakout of this level, in which we just executed this trade, right? And literally all you need is a break and retest, right? If you can wait on some type of break and retest of a level, and you can find those confirmations that you need to enter, that's literally all you need when it comes to trading, and just being patient. There's no need to rush. There's no need to feel an urge to be in a trade at all times. Like once you develop that patience and that discipline, then you're going to be profitable all the time. Are you going to win every trade? No, but majority of the times, if you follow all your confirmations, you're not going to second guess if this is the right trade. But with that patience and literally having that 1 to 2 setups that you're looking for, you're going to be profitable more times than not. And so, like I said, we was able to execute on this quick trade. There was other opportunities after that, but after that trade, we were kind of just good with that setup and called it a trading day. But literally, all you really need if you want to stick with one strategy, it's a break and retest, right? You wait on those break and retests, you develop those confirmations for your entry, then you're going to be profitable, left and right. And so, like I said, I was able to get this 814 profit, $814 profit. Got my balance to $55,067.40. Like I said, I requested a $2,000 payout from this account. One of many payouts for this account, and then other accounts I also am working on payouts from. So I'm gonna keep this going, keep on documenting, keep on showing you how y'all can continuously make money just off of simple strategies and being patient and being disciplined, and literally showing y'all that other people in the group are also getting results. So other than that, that's it for this video.